We're here in a Lexus CT. We just installed the Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. What a difference does this make? You can see it's fully compatible with your original mouse. Of course, shifting to reverse will bring up your original backup camera, and back to park brings you right back to CarPlay. This system has wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built in, and it won't compromise any of your factory features. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds brings you back to your factory radio. Here in your factory interface, you could use your original nav or XM radio. You won't lose anything with our system. Long holding that menu button for 3 more seconds brings you back to CarPlay here. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Sirius XM, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all your songs and cover art. It looks really nice. As well, with navigation, Siri will read your directions, and this is so much better than the factory Lexus navigation. I'll show it to you now.
Starting route to 1510 to 1598 Capitol Boulevard.
This makes a road trip so much better. A quick press of the voice speech button will trigger Siri. Text Parker.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Let's get dinner tonight at 7.
It says, let's get dinner tonight at 7. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
Because our system uses the factory microphone, talking to Siri is a breeze. Sending text messages and phone calls, they both sound great. Coming back home here, you'll see that any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up. So if you use an app for your personal or business life and you're looking for it in CarPlay, it'll most likely be here. Here's your split screen view where you'd see navigation next to your now playing music. If you have any questions, we've got a full installation video for this system. You can also reach our North Carolina-based tech support team at 919-858-2890. What sets the Hamilton system apart is that we have top-of-the-line components in our systems. They're all developed in Raleigh, North Carolina, on American-spec vehicles. Cheap companies from overseas, they only test their cars on international models. They're not always the same as American models, so they can cause glitches and things like that if the CAN bus data doesn't sync exactly. We do all of our development work right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We have a tech support team here to take care of you and our 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It's a top-of-the-line warranty that'll protect you before, during, or after your purchase. We appreciate your business.